Make a great choice today with the 2026 Aviator. The Lincoln Aviator is the luxury division's mid-size sport utility vehicle. Based on the Ford Explorer, the Aviator combines a rugged, truck-based platform with a smooth luxury car ride. Properly equipped, Aviator can tow up to 7,300 pounds, significantly more than most imported SUVs in its size class. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, Bluetooth, heads-up display, heated front driver and passenger seats, adaptive cruise control, trip computer, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.